Welcome to our channel. The top 5 reasons your check engine light may be on. Ever been driving and boom, the dreaded check engine light pops up? It's not just annoying, it could be costing you thousands if you ignore it. Let's face it, no one wants to be stranded with a broken down car, especially when it could have been prevented. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 reasons your check engine light might be on and how you can fix or prevent them without spending a fortune. So if you want to protect your engine, save money, and avoid surprise repairs, you're in the right place. Most people either ignore that light or panic and rush to a mechanic. But what if you knew what it meant before it turned into a major repair bill? Here's the truth, that little light is your car's way of crying for help, but understanding why it's on is the real game changer. Let's decode it together. First reason, loose or faulty gas cap. Yep, something as simple as a loose gas cap can trigger the light. It disrupts fuel pressure and can mess with emissions. Before anything else, check that cap. Second reason, faulty oxygen sensor. This sensor monitors unburned oxygen in your exhaust. If it fails, it hurts your mileage and increases emissions. The fix? It's usually a $30 to $50 part, easy to replace. Third reason, bad spark plugs or wires. Old or worn spark plugs can cause misfires. Your car may still run, but inefficiently, and it can damage your catalytic converter over time. Fourth reason, failing catalytic converter. This one's expensive if ignored. A failing converter affects performance and emissions. If your car feels sluggish or smells like sulfur, don't wait. Fifth reason, mass airflow sensor, MAF, malfunction. This sensor regulates the amount of air that flows into your engine. If it's dirty or damaged, it throws off your fuel mix. Cleaning or replacing it can make a big difference. Bonus tip, invest in a $20 OBD2 scanner. You can plug it into your car and get the error codes right on your phone, no guessing, no waiting on a mechanic. At Next Gen Auto Parts, we stock quality-tested sensors, spark plugs, airflow meters, and more at prices way lower than the dealer. Was your check engine light ever on, and it turned out to be something crazy? Drop it in the comment. We would love to hear your story, and hey, subscribe if you want more smart car tips that save you money. Thank you for watching.